But again, it's even better. You've got the navigation system, maps. You don't have to touch it. It's also getting better as well. When it first came out, it couldn't recognise my accent, and no matter how many times I said somewhere, it would try and take me somewhere else. Now it seems to be a lot better. So again, the voice activation button for a couple of seconds. Take me to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
Now the go button has come up. You can click the go button. If you just leave it and you don't do anything, countermand it, it will just automatically go and direct you there. There you go. Start on Blackburn Road. We're off the road at the moment, but as soon as you get on there, it would start. Now also, take me to McDonald's, Capital Way, Preston.
One option I found is McDonald's. Would you like that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
Now you can add that as a stop on the way to Manchester, which we just set. So I'll just click that, add it as a stop. So I can go to McDonald's first, and then it'll take me to Manchester. Brilliant system.